What I'm showing here is a Withings sleep sensor, which is usually used to detect how well you sleep. I'm using it to detect when a person gets out of bed. For a person with Alzheimer's and their husband would like to know when they get out of bed. So this is placed between the mattress and the box spring, so you don't really feel it. It has a special feature that when it detects you get out of bed, it sends a message through IFTTT. I use that to trigger a SmartThings Virtual switch, which then causes this echo dot to speak. Let's give it a try. I've just got a little temporary button here.
Rich, Lucy has gotten out of bed. Rich, Lucy has gotten out of bed. Rich, Lucy has gotten out of bed.
So that's done in a routine there in the echo dot. You can change the message, you can change the number of times, you can change the beeps, whatever you want to have. So again, it's just an easy way to detect when a person gets out of bed. And it's more comfortable than like a hospital mat that they put on a chair or in a bed to detect. So you don't feel this one.